top 5 coin wallet that everybody should know. All right. So as long as you're a crypto holder or you want to go into crypto, there are things that you are meant to understand, you are meant to actually grasp. All right. And that has to do with, where you hold your crypto, and where you transact your crypto. It's an important topic that most persons ignore, and that result to most losses that occurred at most times. All right. So I have also mentioned in my previous videos about the differences between an exchange and a wallet. An exchange may contain a wallet, contains a wallet within it, but it is centralized. Centralized means that most transaction has to be, there is a central point where transactions are permitted before they are carried out. If there's any issue within the wallet, you have to contact support. All right. But decentralized, all right, this one you are totally in charge of your own wallet. All right. You don't have to contact anybody. Every transaction, you're solely responsible for all the transaction that you carry on that wallet. So my top 5 coin wallet that you should look out for. I'm going to give a bonus point at the, maybe to be known, you can call it number 6, but this top 5 are coin wallet that you should know. All right. So without saying much, all right, coin wallet are wallets that, or wallet itself are wallet that have a recovery phrase or a seed phrase that makes the user totally in control of the funds or whatever that is in the wallet. All right. So but an exchange, you have to sign up with a password and an email or phone number. So, but a wallet, you just need to create it and then store your recovery phrase offline anywhere you want to store it, so that whenever there is you need to get back the wallet or there is an issue, then you just go back to the exchange, go back to the wallet provider, and then apply the recovery phrase, and then you import your wallet. So, but the top 5 coin wallet that you must know, starting in no particular order. The number 1 is Trust Wallet. All right. Trust Wallet is owned by Binance. All right. Trust Wallet, for me, I see Trust Wallet as the most popular. All right, as it contains so much. All right, it accommodates so many network and is officially on Binance Smart Chain. All right, it's the you could transact with Ethereum, you could transact with Smart Chain. There are other networks. So Trust Wallet is one great wallet that, and I think it is the most widely used wallet, or a mobile wallet. It's both on iPhone and on Android. So if you want one, you can get it on iOS store or on your Android store. So Trust Wallet is very, very easy to use, and through it you can transact, buy, swap crypto through the dApps section of the Trust Wallet. Then the number 2 on the list is Metamax. All right, the uses of Metamax is officially is a wallet that is built on Ethereum chain. All right, it's officially built on Ethereum chain, but nevertheless Metamax has so much functionalities that Trust Wallet doesn't even have. All right, Metamax allow you could to connect to desktop. You could use Metamax on desktop. You could connect to different interface, different platform on Metamax on your desktop with Metamax Wallet. Metamax allow you to do so many things that you cannot actually do with Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet has some limit in it, but Metamax has its own advantage. But the both of them have their different advantages. All right. So Metamax is a wallet that is officially, like when you open it, it's officially on Ethereum chain. Except you want to switch to other chain, then you can make the switches by yourself. So the next one that we must talk about right here is Crypto.com Wallet. Crypto.com itself is an exchange, all right, and it has a wallet version of it, all right. Now the wallet of Crypto.com, as long as it has recovery phrase, it you term it a wallet, because you could actually always get your wallet back with the 12 key phrase, and the 12 key phrase is the security of that wallet, all right. So Crypto.com is number 3 on the list. Then number 4 on the list is Coinbase Wallet. Now, Coinbase itself is an exchange. All right, we have Coinbase Exchange and we have Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Exchange is the one you sign up with username and password and email. All right, and probably phone number and maybe some other personal details. All right, but Coinbase Wallet is the one that you just have to open, and then they give you 12 key phrase, and then you just have to store your funds. All right, Coinbase Wallet is officially on Ethereum network. All right, you can't switch network, you can't add network, you can't do anything. You can. It's just on Ethereum network. All right, but it is a wallet. All right. Same thing applies to Crypto.com. All right. So that's the number 4 on the list. The number 5 on the list is Exodus Wallet. All right, Exodus Wallet is one great wallet too. But for me, the first 4 has more usage than Exodus Wallet. All right, but it's also a great wallet to work on, and is just great. So Exodus Wallet is number 5 on the list. Then the last and the bonus point, all right, that I must mention to you guys is Huobi Wallet. All right, we have Huobi Exchange that function of the same way with Binance. All right, that almost have, in fact, the features of Huobi and Binance, they look almost alike. It's like a Huobi looks like a clone of Binance, or they look like a clone of each other, because the functionalities are all alike. They are all alike. They have spot wallet, P2P, P2P. All right, so Hobby Wallet, Hobby has a wallet version of its app. So we have Hobby Wallet. So with Hobby Wallet, you could just create a wallet, get your recovery phrase, store it somewhere, and then be able to transact, all right, without having to sign up with username and password and stuff like that. So there are a great number of different wallets out there, apart from this ones I've given to you, these first 5 or 6 that I've given to you. There are a great number of different wallets out there that I may not have mentioned here, but I believe you get the point now and you understand. And I've been able to, with this video right now, I've been able to actually make you understand, and then make you to, whatever wallet you want to operate with, you are able to actually choose it and then operate with that particular wallet. All right. So let me know if you love my videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to see. All right. So see you in my next video. I love you.